So here I am, turning it into a video for your bank holiday Monday. What's it all about? So basically I put together a post about, there's loads of people, especially people I know, and obviously in the big wide world, and it's something I hear all the time from other small business owners about how other people could be, probably should be, supporting them, even though they don't buy from them. I know that probably 99.9% of the people I know, people who probably engage with me online, they're never going to buy from me. A lot of my audience, they're never going to buy from me, and that is totally cool. But you know what? If you want to help me out, here's 5 things you can do to help out small businesses, even if you aren't buying from them. Number 1 is to like, share, comment, do a social media post. Like literally, if you see a Facebook post from your friend's business, just click like on it. It's never going to hurt you, is it? If you kind of think, oh, I like that post, that resonates, share it. Even add a comment on it, going, oh, nice photo, oh, great video, loving your work, whatever. All those tiny little things all help for that small business to reach more people. And we're all in the business of reaching more people, because more people brings us more sales, brings us more exposure, lets new people see what we're all about. So click that like button. And remember, as Barney the Purple Dinosaur once said, sharing is caring. Number 2 is to tell your friends and family about them. Don't keep this great secret of this amazing business your friend has started all to yourself. Again, sharing is caring. And how do you know that your Uncle Bob that has a something business, can't think of anything off the top of my head, doesn't need someone to help him with his social media, doesn't need someone to build him a website, doesn't need a little bit of marketing advice, doesn't need whatever. Share. Spread the love. Tell your friends and family what your mate with a business does. You never know, they might know someone. Every referral counts. Number 3 is to give them moral support. So you may never buy from them, you might not know anyone that wants to buy from them. It may be a business that is so far out of your field of reach, you are kind of like, I have no idea what it is. People say to me, I have no idea what it is you're doing. I'm like, seriously, dude, you're not paying enough attention. If you know someone that has a business and you really don't know anyone that's going to buy from them, you really can't support them in any way, perhaps you're not even on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or Twitter or whatever, in which case, how the hell are you seeing this video? But buy them a coffee, turn up, bring them a little coffee and a donut or something. Just be nice. Moral support counts for everything. The occasional little text, hey, how are things going? Hey, do you need a hand with that? Hey, can I bring you coffee? Hey, do you need someone to go get you lunch today? All those things mean so much. Every coffee counts. But please don't use the coffee as an excuse to say, hey, but can I pick your brains while I'm here? A coffee ain't worth that. Book an appointment if that's what you want. Which leads me to point number 4. Please don't ask for freebies. Refusal really does offend, and I don't mean to offend, but please don't ask me for a freebie. Like, that ship sailed a long time ago, the exposure thing and all the rest of it. I'm in business, I got bills to pay, I don't do this for giggles. Pay me. If I'm nice to you, I might give you a mate's rates, or, you know, throw a bit extra in. Please don't ask for freebies. It's just bad business. You'll find out someday when you have a business and people ask you for free things, how annoying it is. Number 5 is buy from them when you can. So you may have a friend that has a cake business or a making-y thing business. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go along. But if you have a friend that has something and suddenly you go, oh, I need a cake for a birthday or whatever, or an occasion, or I need flowers from just something, buy from the person you know, buy from the teeny weeny little business that you've seen slogging their guts out online to try and build their audience and get more sales. Buy from the person you know works day and night to build their business because they just can't stand going back to the corporate world. Just buy from the little guy when you can. Which actually leads me to another point 6-ish. It's a bonus point. If if you're one of those people that works for another company and you do get the little guy to do jobs from you, you outsource or you hire them or you ever pay your goddamn bills on time, there is nothing worse. Seriously, stop this 90-day, 120-day terms. Seriously, nobody works like that no more. Just pay your goddamn bills when the supplier wants them paying. And there concludes today's rant. I hope you found it useful and I hope some of this will resonate with you and you will be helping all the small businesses that are operating around you. I've been Sam Martin and this is my weekly video that drops every single Monday morning. Please subscribe so you don't miss it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share because sharing is caring. Go follow all of my other social media channels. Please don't follow me in the street because that's just creepy. And I will speak to you again next week.